How to add page into PDF documents. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so I'm going to show you how you can add blank page, or you can write anything on this blank page, or also I'm going to show you how you can add your existing PDF to another PDF. Okay, so let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay, guys, so just open your browser. I'm using the Chrome. Okay, and come to the Google, and we need to search for PDF editor. Okay, so there is a lots of tools you can see. So I'm using this one. Okay, it is very, uh, you can say useful. Now what we need to do, just go to the upload PDF file, and you need to upload your existing file here. Okay, so this is my file. Just select that file and just open it. It will be uploaded like this. So this is one page I have in PDF. So if you want to add another blank page, okay, I need to delete it. Come to the down and just go to the insert page. Then one blank page will be inserted like this. If you want to insert page at starting, just go here and come to the up, and here you need to insert the page. Okay, so your blank page will be your first page, and your existing page will be, your original page will be second page. Okay, I'm also add the page in last. So total we have now three page number 1, this is original page, and this is page number 3. Okay, so here you can type anything. You can also insert image if you want. You need to just go to the insert image. Okay, this image is already uploaded by me. You can go to the new image, upload from your device, it will be uploaded. Okay, you have to just place like this. We can also insert like shapes, you can also insert links. There is a lots of thing you can insert, and you can write your own. Okay, also done, just apply. Okay, so I just delete my first page. So this is my original page, and this is the second page I have added here. Now go to the apply page, apply changes, and download that updated PDF. So you can see the second page has been added. Now if you want to add your existing page to your uh, PDF, original PDF, then you need to go in merge option. Just come back, go to the merge, upload the original PDF, and just take your another PDF which you want to add. Okay, so this is my first PDF, and this is second PDF. I have selected two PDF. You need to just hit the control key, hold it, and select both like this, and just open it. It will be upload, and this is my first page, and this is the second page. You can also change the numbers orders like this. You have to just click on it, hold it, and just switch the order. Okay, so in my case this is my first page, this is second page. You can also add the blank page from here. You can also add the pages from your device, Google Drive, and OneDrive. Okay, you can also, okay, this is a page view, this is a file view. Okay, so now just go to the merge file. It will be merge. So in these tools you have only 3 tags for free. If you want to make more, merge, you need to log in with your email ID. So in my case I don't have account in these tools, so I can only merge up to 3. So I have already merged many here. So you need to just merge it. It will be merged. Now you need to download. It will be download, and you can see that file will be, your existing page will be add your original document. So you need to just merge and download it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.